Alright, so this is, I'm going to do a quick video for replacing your window stops. And these things. So mine didn't exist, which was causing the window to go down too far, and then it get caught up on the felts here, and you had to pull the window back. So I just Dremeled out the spot. There's a rivet, and like I said, there was nothing underneath it, and it should be a rubber piece. And what I did, just from a local hardware store, rubber leg tips. So you get these guys. Right. You get, I forget the size of the bolt, but you should be able to figure it out. That washer's perfect. I didn't put a washer on this side, but you get the bolt in there and it's nice length. So I got it done on this side. I don't know why they didn't come with bolts from the factory, and it just bottoms out on the bottom of the door and stops your window from going down too far. Now, with this one, I was a little worried about the bolt going all the way through. I think it's pretty close. So I put a washer on this one, so it should let it compress it, and you can tighten it down until you get it just right. I managed to get this one just perfectly level with the weather strip. Yeah. That's a solution for that. Also, if you're doing door handles, they get all floppy. This one's super nice. I got new door handles for this, and they come with speed nuts, which is ridiculous. So what I suggest doing, you get a tap. You tap. This is a Dorman handle, and you just tap or get a die and a tap. Put threads on it. And then I put nylon lock washers on it, and that door handle's so friggin' nice for a 3rd gen. And that's yeah, that's that. Hopefully I help someone out, because I spent quite a bit of time trying to figure this stuff out with no answer. Some people said you could use brake pads from a bike, which I guess would work. But, yeah, hopefully it helps someone out.